up, guys? Before we get into the video, as you can see, the Renegade is dead at this point. I've been doing research, even asked the Facebook group on what could be the possible issue, and really it comes down to the switch handle, which you can switch the power on and off, and where you can start the ignition of the four-wheeler. Mind you guys, four-wheeler have full tank gas, battery is good, had it on the charger for like 2 weeks, and fuses was good. So only thing it could come down to is the switch handle. When I did research, looked at videos, and that's what it basically comes down to. So you will see in this video of me like showing you how to, remove it, and we just locating the wiring. We ain't like took it apart necessarily, because we're gonna wait till the new part come in, and once that new part come in, we're gonna see if it come alive. If it come alive, you already know we're gonna get live, but I don't know if that makes sense. But anyway, thank y'all for tuning in and stuff. Make sure sub in and like this video for more, and really appreciate the comments and stuff from recent videos and all that I've been reading and stuff. So it's really a blessing and all that. So shoot, can't wait to get the Renegade back, and stay tuned for next video, because you will see a small clip of the Renegade dying out on me. And once I tried to start it again, it just kept shutting on and off, and it finally just died. And I probably just give a story on that in that video or separately, I don't know. But let me stop doing all the talking and get into the video. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Renegade. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are on the Renegade again, and the Renegade is back down. So we're gonna see why, but I already probably know the reasons why. I recently went on the Facebook group, on the Can-Am Outlander Facebook group, and posted this up and told them what was going on. I had people saying something about the kill switch, and also the fuses in the back, which I was thinking, but I could really draw more towards the kill switch, because I'm not getting no power at all. Rather I switch it on or press the button at all. And mind you, you don't have to have the key. I had people on the group was like, where the key at? And most other people telling you don't have to have the key. You don't have to have the key just to turn on the power on the Renegade. But as you can see, it's really filthy right now and really dirty. So I'm gonna have to clean her up sometime, but I want to, take that old kill switch off, look inside of it. I got a new one that was ordered. I was supposed to order one from the local dealership in my area, but somehow Can-Am got hacked, and they wouldn't be able to order parts, and it would have been like a 3 to 4 weeks till I had got that part in. And I can't really wait that long. I can wait, but I want to put some videos out and enjoy this machine, as you can see. So went on eBay, we got the part number from the guy from the local dealership, and got it off of eBay. So it was about 87 bucks. So I got the kill switch. I was trying to look for it cheaper, but I don't know if the other ones would have worked, so I just went what I had to get. So ain't no big deal with that. So we're gonna be waiting for that kill switch to come in. But on today's video, all we're gonna do is just take it apart, get the old one out, and then when a new one come in, I'm gonna record that, little footage of that, drop that, and yeah, show you how to do it. So this is the kill switch right here. As you can see, I am not getting none. I'm not getting none. So I'm leaning towards this. But before I'm gonna check this, take this panel off right here and check the fuses. There should be a fuse box over here. But anyway, let me get this off and I'll go from there. So guys, as you can see, I don't see no blown fuse. I say fuse. I don't see no blown fuse. This is a 40 amp. I like how Can-Am did put dielectric grease in there. yeah, it's not, I don't see nothing burnt with this kill switch. I'm gonna leave this out because I'm gonna like seal everything too. But all my fuses are good on the back side, so I don't have nothing blown. I'm really thinking it's the kill switch. So what I want to do is take the kill switch apart, and we're gonna go from there. First thing first, guys, I'm gonna remove these 2 bolts right here, so I can have some room to get to this Allen head on the bottom side. So we can take this off, and we can like locate our wire. So yeah, remove this bracket. Get an Allen wrench underneath, take it apart, and go from there. So guys, I have removed this winch controller bracket with an 8mm. Just loosen it, took it off. Now I'm using the metric Allen wrench 4, and we got these 2. I don't know if you see it. We got these 2 Allen heads we gotta take off right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, y'all can see that. 2 Allen heads right there. So guys, I finally got the kill switch off. It's pretty neat. So we're gonna follow this wiring all the way through. I'm gonna have to cut these zip ties off. I have to remove some of this stuff just to see where they hook up at. Guys, I finally got it to where I can have access to it. This one right here is all the way down there. It's pretty tough trying to get it off that tab. You have to slide it off. Slide on the tabs right there. But till the new one come in, we're gonna swap this bad boy out. Like I said, my fuses wasn't blown. The only thing I can come down to, honestly, is the switch. Only thing, come on now. Every time I either press this button, I always get something on the cluster. You know that, and I know my battery good. I know I have power and all that. But other than that, it's just pretty much it. So just stay tuned for the Renegade. It's gonna get fixed. I already know it is. And once I change this out, I'm gonna put some dielectric grease on here. Wrap this bad boy up, and shoot, that'd be pretty much it. So stay tuned for more. Really appreciate it. Thanks for the love and support. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You're gonna clean up the Renegade really well, grease up everything, and keep everything nice and tidy. But overall, this bike been good. Overall, it been good. But only thing you need is just a 8mm. Get this bracket off, and a number 4 to get this off, this switch handle off. But it don't look bad or anything like that, but it's crazy though. Hey, but that's it. So make sure y'all sub in and like, and see y'all in the next video.